Imagine a world where your online order isn't delivered by a truck driver but by a flying drone that drops it at your doorstep within minutes. Or where warehouse shelves restock themselves through robots working 24/7 without breaks. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, this isn't science fiction anymore, it's the new reality of supply chain automation. In today's video, we'll explore how robots, drones, and artificial intelligence are reshaping global supply chains and what the future holds for businesses and entrepreneurs. Supply chains are the lifeblood of the global economy, connecting manufacturers, suppliers, distributors, and consumers across continents. Traditionally, these chains have been heavily labor-dependent, relying on manual handling, paperwork, and trucks. But with rising customer expectations for speed, accuracy, and sustainability, businesses are turning to automation technologies. Supply chain automation is no longer the stuff of science fiction, it's happening now. Robots, drones, and autonomous systems are transforming logistics from the ground up. Automation in the supply chain refers to using machines, AI, robotics, and autonomous devices to perform tasks once done by humans, faster, more accurately, and continuously. It spans warehousing, picking, sorting, transportation, inventory tracking, and even last-mile deliveries. AI technologies in supply chains help eliminate waste, enable real-time monitoring, and reduce cycle times. Autonomous mobile robots, AMRs, robotic arms, and vision-guided systems streamline sorting, picking, and packing operations. Robots are revolutionizing warehousing and manufacturing. Take Amazon Robotics, for example. The company uses over 750,000 robots to move products across fulfillment centers worldwide. These robots reduce picking errors, increase speed, and allow warehouses to operate around the clock. Similarly, collaborative robots, or cobots, work alongside humans to perform repetitive tasks like packaging, palletizing, or quality checks. Robotic automation doesn't stop in warehouses. Drones and autonomous ground vehicles are revolutionizing last-mile delivery. Drones are no longer just for photography, they're transforming logistics. Drones are now used to carry small parcels, inspect inventory in warehouses, or reach remote areas. Companies like Zipline are already using drones to deliver medical supplies in rural Africa, cutting delivery times from hours to just 30 minutes. Zipline, 2022. In the United States, UPS Flight Forward has FAA approval to operate drone deliveries for pharmaceuticals and small packages. For last-mile delivery, drones provide speed and efficiency, especially in congested cities or hard-to-reach areas. Scholars predict that by 2030, drones will account for 30% of last-mile deliveries in advanced economies. Imagine the possibilities: emergency deliveries, eco-friendly transportation, and reduced logistics costs. But automation doesn't stop at robots and drones. Artificial intelligence, AI, is the brain behind the system. AI helps in predictive demand forecasting, dynamic route optimization, and inventory management. For example, DHL uses AI-powered algorithms to optimize delivery routes, reducing fuel consumption and carbon emissions. DHL 2022. This integration of AI with robotics and drones is creating what experts call the smart supply chain, a seamless ecosystem where every movement is tracked, optimized, and executed with minimal human intervention. Why should businesses invest in robots and drones? Because the payoffs are real. Efficiency and speed: robots operate 24/7, reducing cycle times. Accuracy and quality: less human error, more consistency. Cost savings: lower labor, optimization of inventory and routing. Safety and risk reduction: robots can work in hazardous spaces. Scalability: automation scales better with demand surges. However, the journey isn't without hurdles. Key challenges include high initial costs: automation infrastructure is expensive to develop and deploy. Integration complexity: legacy systems, data silos, interoperability issues. Cybersecurity and data privacy: automation opens new attack surfaces. Workforce impact: job displacement and need for reskilling are real concerns. Regulatory and legal hurdles: airspace laws, safety standards, liability rules. However, researchers warn of vulnerabilities and ethical implications if automation is not thoughtfully managed. So, what does the future hold? Experts predict that by 2035, fully autonomous supply chains will become mainstream. World Economic Forum, 2022. That means self-driving trucks handling long hauls, drones delivering packages to your doorstep, and robots operating warehouses without human oversight. For businesses, this promises efficiency and cost savings. For consumers, it means faster deliveries, personalized service, and sustainable logistics. And for entrepreneurs, it's an open field. Automation startups, drone services, and robotic solutions are booming industries. In summary, supply chain automation powered by robots, drones, and AI is not just a trend, it's the future of global business. Those who adapt will thrive. Those who don't risk being left behind. So, what do you think? Would you trust a drone to deliver your groceries? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future deep dives into logistics, supply chain, and business innovation.